Babe, wake up.
What?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas? Did Santa Claus give me something?
Let's go see.
Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Did Santa Claus give me one of the last JDM cookie bumpers in the world? For the 8.6 with floor mats and with brackets that are a little bit rusty? Oh my gosh. Santa Claus got me something big this year. This is probably one of the last cookie bumpers that are still in stock. I bought it because the front ones went out of stock and changed the price from $400 to $2,000, so I decided to buy this before it went out of stock, and then the prices shot up and I would never have a chance to buy one. So we got it while it's hot, and we also got some new floor mats for the 8.6. It's gonna be an action-packed video. You guys better like this video right now because I spent a lot of money on this bumper, spent a lot of money on the floor mats. These are probably the most expensive floor mats you could ever buy for a car. So let's get into it. If you guys ever start a YouTube channel, you know how awkward it is when someone walks by and looks at you or drives by looking at you.
Might as well give him a show.
So I think first what we'll do is we'll start with the easiest part because I know we're gonna have some trouble with this bumper like we did with the front. So we'll get the floor mats out of here, install these. I got period correct floor mats out of all the designs. Let me show y'all. So out of all the designs that are for sale, I got probably the most period correct one. These are pretty period correct. But they don't match the car because my car's orange. I got this one right here, and another one that I really wanted was that one. That one's really, really cool. But black matches with almost anything, so it's gonna be best for an orange car with red interior and blue seats. Ooh. The design looks a little bit bigger than I expected the whole thing to be. Like I thought these squares would be a little bit smaller and there'd be more squares, but still cool. I'm gonna be protecting the carpet in my floor by getting these. Maybe this is the driver. That's how it's supposed to go. Looks right, right?
Looks right.
On eBay for So on eBay for floor mats like these, other cars, you know, maybe 25, 50, 100 bucks. This car, $400. When you're the only person making them, I guess you can charge whatever you want. And floor mats should last me forever, so one-time fee, hopefully. That. So how it goes, I think it's the other way. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of the floor mats. Kind of dig them. I'm glad that my carpet is not gonna get destroyed anymore. And if anything, these will get a little dusty or musty. So I bought so many parts, I actually forgot what I bought. I also bought a lip. So we're gonna have a Zenki lip to put on the cookie bumper, but we'll probably save that for another video. Here's the first piece, straight from Toyota. No idea what this says, all I can read is G92. So here it is in the Toyota Lexus wrapping paper. Question is, how do they have Lexus on here when Lexus wasn't even made yet? Yeah, this is literally brand new from Toyota. This is probably not many more left, and pulled the trigger and got it. So now we're gonna unbox it, install it. I think this actually hangs down lower than the US bumper because US bumper is kind of like up tight, you know, up here, but I think the JDM one goes a little bit lower. I almost feel bad for opening this. I know this isn't gonna happen that many more times. Or I might be completely wrong and they have like 1,000 of these. There's not even that many. Ah.
What'd you do?
No.
You wanna use that as a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe lift it up a little bit.
According to my research, what we have to do is we have to take these little plugs off. And the bolt should be right under here to take the bumper off. And I think that's it, except maybe some screws or bolts on the side. So to prevent me busting up these pretty little hands, I got me some pliers. I'm praying that this isn't all rusty and it'll come out the first try with this impact. Sick. Do I get a kick? Let's try it.
Oh.
Well, that worked. Anybody wants it, hit me up. $2,000 to recoup for that one. You know, some people actually run without the rear bumper. No? Or yeah? Huh? No? All right, let's put the bumper on. One out.
Let's go.
If you're doing this for a US spec car, rear bumper is a piece of cake. Front bumper is where it gets you. Right here we got the most rusty brackets you'll ever see in your life. They look like they're pretty much just rust and they're just painted over with black. But yeah, we'll be changing these out soon, don't worry. So I went to O'Reilly's, got the Pro Pack of washers. I don't think I'll ever have to buy washers again. And the reason why we did that, with the bolt I found in the bolt box, the washer isn't big enough, so it goes also through the hole, so the bumper would stay. Add this washer, and now it'll stay. I put it on wrong. I think this is supposed to go on this side, so let's do that real quick. Not the sturdiest thing in the world. Talk about Japanese safety. There you go. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. What do you think, babe?
I need a side-by-side comparison.
All right, we'll put this one below. There, is that side by side enough for you?
So this one seems like it comes out more
Yeah.
from here, right?
Yeah, this one, that one, the USD one came out more. I think it was like more
Yeah.
like right here.
Like you
I
could
think
almost sit on
comes
it.
down a little bit more.
Oh yeah, I think it just is preference then. I think they both look nice. Which one do you like better?
Definitely Japanese.
Definitely the Japanese.
Looks newer too.
It does look newer. Well, it is newer.
Oh, it is new. Yeah, it is new. Oh, you know what'd be sick? If I put this here, it would actually drag on the ground, I think. Bozo Zuko style, you know? I'll try that. Putting the brackets on the car and then the bumper on the brackets is a little bit harder than I thought. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bumper with the brackets out, put it all bolts in, and then just put the whole bumper in at once. That might be a little bit easier. There's no more bolts in the bolt box that have the same bolt pattern as the brackets. So we only have 2 bolts missing, so bumper should not fly off at all. And now we just have to install it and it should be good to go. That's done. The only ones we gotta do left around the sides.
Hey. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for you.
I know, I need you to get in a position so I can see if it's...
So we got the bumper installed, everything looks good. I have one question for y'all though. Over here, of course if you own an 8.6, you know, and have a cookie bumper. Is this, like, I feel like this just doesn't, maybe it does, but I feel like it should just be a little bit more this way forward. But then again, this line lines up, and this one over here does too. So I don't know if they're just made like that to give it a little bit more clearance, but it looks great. I was thinking of painting it, but I mean, it already looks black enough.
Like painting it black?
Yeah, painting, so
It's pretty black.
It ain't going nowhere. What are your predictions? Do you think it's gonna scrape?
Yeah, I think it'll scrape. Oh no!
No,
It doesn't.
not at all. Well, if there was some way to get like a rear lip to make it go even lower, oh, that would be so nice. So if you guys like the mats, the bumper, and you want to see the front lip get installed, make sure to go subscribe to my channel, leave a like on it because that always helps, and also leave a heart down in the description if you actually watch the end of the video. I want to see how many of you guys are actually staying around for the whole thing, yeah. And car's really coming along. I'm glad that we got it fixed. And now we're back to fun mods. We have a lot of stuff coming, so like I said, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.